What's up everyone, it's Ron and welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. In today's video, I am going to show you YouLearn.ai, a AI generated and AI powered tutor that you can turn your PDF into YouTube videos, lecture recordings, and slide into notes, quizzes, and interactive study material. Whether you are a student, learner, or just curious, by the end of this, we will know whether you learn is the worth of time. Let's right jump into it. So, what exactly is YouLearn.ai? It's an AI tutor that take your learning material like PDF, slides, YouTube videos, recorded lectures, and transform them into concise summaries, notes, interactive chats, quiz and tests and explanation. In short, it aims to be one-stop tool to help you learn smarter, faster, and more interactively. It's backend by the Y Combinator and already has a lot of users. The founders built it to solve the problem of the watching long lecture videos and reading heavy textbook. You can upload PDF, slide, audio recording, and even YouTube videos. The AI will process them into the readable form. It exactly summary and notes. It will be take your video and make summary, and you can chat on this place about these videos, transcripts you can get, and quizzes, podcast, everything you need to be know for these videos. You just click on this and you will get the all your video information or book you want to do. It extract key ideas, definitions, bullet points, or you can choose deeply AI response explanations, breaking down. Upload a content or upload a link just like me. You can edit a link and then you can upload PDF, slide, audio recording, even YouTube videos. The AI will process into readable form. Summary and note generation. It extract key generation, definite and bold bullet points, or you can choose how deep to brief you want to summary. Interactive to tutor chat. Ask it questions based on your the uploaded content. If something confusing, the AI responds with explanation breaking down the ideas. Quizzes automatically generate quiz test on your content. You get answer breakdown and AI track your performance. Voice audio functionality. Some user report voice input output support. Good for listening or asking allow. Tracking or weak spot alert. The AI can pinpoint which part you struggle and they suggest revisiting certain seconds. What I liked, save tons of the time to the converting raw materials into a study guide. Having everything note, chat, quizzes, and the on place is super convenient. Good for review, understanding, and reinforcing. What can be improved? Something sometimes answer are a bit generic, especially in advanced or niche topics. For deep technical content, human supervision may be still needed. The free version might have limit to file size, number of upload, or advanced feature. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.